In this video, we are going to see how a QA manager is going to publish a SOP and manage the SOPs. Now, the SOP is created in the document management, the module that is LuitBiz QMS, and it is pushed from the DMS to the QA manager module out here. And the QA manager can see the list of newly added SOPs out here. So now the QA manager sees that there are two SOPs that have come for his approval. So he clicks here and he sees that these are the new SOPs. Of course, this link is also available in the left-hand side navigation menu on the process management. So all the new SOPs have come under two categories. He sees that one has come for change control, the other has come for laboratory OOS/OOT management. Let's see what's come for change control management. So he clicks on change control management and sees that this is the new SOP that has come in. So he can click on the SOP document and view the contents of the document. And then if he feels that everything is fine, he can go ahead and publish this SOP. So while publishing the SOP, he can either select to choose the same name that the DMS user has pushed in or change the name, that doesn't matter. Select the owning department. Let's say the quality assurance department owns this SOP. Select the category. Let's say it's regarding validation, and let's say the revision number is 00. So when it's a new SOP, we allow the QA manager to select the revision number. However, in the subsequent revisions of the SOP, which the system is going to manage for you, the next revision number will come in automatically, and that cannot be changed. So, and now the manager needs to say which departments are going to be using this SOP. Let's say microbiology is going to use it. Let's say quality assurance and quality control. These are the three departments that are going to use it. Let's say the category is change control management, which is already selected by the DMS user who uploaded this, who pushed in the SOP from LuitBiz TMS. Let's say this is the issue date, and let's say this is the effective date, and let's say the review date is say next year, and these are the compulsory fields, and of course there are some optional fields. Let's say if it supersedes a particular a previous SOP, let's say it supersedes this SOP. And if you want to attach any checklist, that is a checklist and the forms that you have created, you can just select the checklist, you can select the forms, you can select workflow forms, you can select data entry forms, you can select operational forms, attach, and click on the submit button. So once you do so, that particular SOP is now become an InUse SOP, and you can see it under change control management. You can see that this particular SOP has been added. So once you click on the name of the SOP, you will see that it has this checklist attached to it, and these are the forms attached to it. And if you want to update this checklist, which you and as well as the quality executives can do, you can just go ahead and update the SOPs out here. And once you fill in these values, the values would be available once you click on the CAPA checklist. Then in this form, you can also see WF form submitted, data entry form submitted, and operational form submitted. Now these forms that you have attached here, if any user, department user, starts using those forms, if it's a workflow form, it's going to come here. If it's a data entry form, it's going to come here. And if it's an operational form download, you can view the log of the operational form download out here.